Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Manning School from Westmoreland up against Titchfield High from Portland. This is School's Challenge Quiz. Manning School is represented this evening by Team Captain Ciara Hall, Tian Ray Barnes, Hassan Smith, and Rachel Brown, while Titchfield High is represented by Romaine Smith, Orlando Lee, Quayne Smith, and Team Captain Alex Anderson. Only one of these teams will move on to the quarterfinals. Hello, everyone. Welcome to continuing round 3 action here in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get right into the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Manning School won and elected to go first, so we begin with Manning School. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock, please. We have it. So we'll begin Manning School with mathematics. What number comes next in the series? 22, 21, 23, 22, 24, 23.
25.
That's right. Mathematics for Titchfield. What number comes next in this series? 7, 10, 8, 11, 9, 12.
10.
That's right. International affairs for the Manning School. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Lesotho.
That's right. International affairs for Titchfield. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed now.
Mozambique.
That's right. History for Manning School. Which leader proclaimed the Haitian Declaration of Independence from France?
Jean-Jacques Dessalines.
Dessalines, correct. History for Titchfield. In which country did Jean-Jacques Dessalines proclaim the Haitian Declaration? In which city did Jean-Jacques Dessalines proclaim the Haitian Declaration of Independence from France?
Port-au-Prince.
No, it was in Gonaïves. Physics, Manning School. What is the volume of a block measuring 5 centimeters by 6 centimeters by 3 centimeters?
90 centimeters cubed.
90 is correct. Physics, Titchfield. What is the volume of a block measuring 7 centimeters by 4 centimeters by 3 centimeters?
28 times 3.
84 centimeters cubed.
84 centimeters cubed.
That's right. Music and audio 1 for Manning School. Listen to the following clip. Identify the group.
NSYNC.
No, it's the Black Eyed Peas. Music for Titchfield. Listen to the following clip. Identify the singer.
I wanna take you away. Rihanna.
That's right. Spanish for Manning School. What is the English translation of De quién es eso?
Who is that?
Who is that?
Whose is that? Spanish Titchfield. What is the English translation of Me lo repite, por favor?
Repeat it to me, please.
Yes, can you repeat it for me, please? Theatre and Cinema, Manning School. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Danny DeVito.
That's right. Theatre and Cinema for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Michael Douglas. What me say?
Michael Douglas.
All right. Michael Douglas.
Well done. Information technology for Manning School. NetConf is the abbreviation for a secure protocol that allows users to install, manipulate, and delete configuration data on network devices. What does NetConf stand for?
Internet configuration.
Network configuration.
Network configuration.
Network configuration protocol. Incomplete, perhaps, judges. Information technology for Titchfield. TFTP is an abbreviation for a simple protocol that provides basic file transfer functionality without user authentication. What does TFTP stand for?
Transfer something protocol.
Come with something.
Transfer file.
Typical protocol.
No, trivial file transfer protocol. Sport for Manning School. Look at the monitor, Mannings, and identify this person, please.
Adam Smith.
Adam Smith.
Adam Smith.
No, it's Aaron Judge. Sport for Titchfield. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Shohei Otani.
Say it by yourself.
Shohei Otani.
Well done. Both baseball stars, and that's the bell already. That's the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Let's take a look at the scores. Manning School appear to be on 5 points, and Titchfield High just ahead on 7. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. School's Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.